All right, what's on the bench? I found this on AliExpress and had to have one. These things are super cheap. I don't know why they make these things. They're just fun little toys. This one is a 2800 megahertz, 2.8 gigahertz, low-pass filter version 1.1. And it's using Voodoo Magic. It's got these radial stubs on the transmission line. So this is the transmission line here, and a little matching stub on the input and output. Make sure it's 50 ohms, I guess. Or it's just the way that the filter works out. It lets through low frequency, and then high frequency gets attenuated in here. There's a ground plane on the back, so these things here act as capacitors and quarter wave stubs and stuff. Anyways, like I said, a lot of black magic. I never really have learned any of that. It is a art, definitely an art, but Concept RF 2025, so it's pretty modern. Now this looks like a material that's a little bit better than FR4. There's some Rogers materials and stuff. I don't know exactly what this is. It might just be FR4, but it looks a little bit nicer than that to my eye. There's a solid ground plane on the back, and then microstrip technology for the transmission line, 50 ohms. Yeah, fun little device. So I think what we'll do is I'll get out a nano VNA here. All my big VNAs and stuff only go. My spectrum analyzer goes to 3 gigahertz. My VNA goes to 1.3 gigahertz. So I have to rely on these guys. This one goes to 6 gigahertz. So yeah, let's try them out. All right, I have it hooked up to the VNA. I'm using this VNA FV3. It's good to 6 gigahertz. And so I'm sweeping from 1 gigahertz to 6 gigahertz, and you can see, maybe you can't see. I'll show you some pictures later, but it is falling here, and that's here at 2.8 gigahertz. So it is a low pass 2.8 gigahertz filter. So I calibrated it. I did a through calibration, did the whole calibration thing, and then put in the filter in the S21 mode. It's S21, not S12. It's 2.1, goes this way. And so, yeah, it is what it is. And it seems like it works really well. So, well, there you go. Okay, well, that was object of the day, a Concept RF, a low-pass filter.